Tired of feeling self-conscious about flabby arms? You're not alone. While hitting the gym is crucial for toning, what you eat plays a surprisingly big role in achieving those lean, sculpted arms you desire. This isn't about crash diets or magic pills. It's about fueling your body with the right nutrients to burn fat, build muscle, and feel amazing. But here's where it gets interesting. You can't target fat loss solely on your arms. As nutrition expert and personal trainer Mary Sabat, MS, RDN, LD explains, fat loss is a systemic process. Your body decides where it sheds fat first. So, how do we tackle those stubborn arm areas? By focusing on overall fat loss through a strategic, protein-packed, fiber-rich, and healthy fat-filled meal plan. Over time, this approach will help you achieve a leaner, more toned physique, including those arms you've been working towards. And this is the part most people miss. Consistency is key. It's not about one magical meal, but about incorporating these principles into your daily routine. Let's dive into 5 delicious, 5-minute meals designed to support your journey towards stronger, more defined arms. 1. Grilled chicken salad with leafy greens avocado. This light yet satisfying salad is a powerhouse. Lean chicken provides essential protein for muscle repair, while leafy greens offer fiber to keep you full and regulate blood sugar. Avocado adds healthy fats, promoting satiety and supporting overall health. Sabat highlights, this combination helps your body utilize stored fat for energy, contributing to a leaner appearance. 2. Greek yogurt with berries chia seeds. Kickstart your morning or elevate your snack game with this nutrient-dense combo. Greek yogurt is packed with protein and probiotics for gut health. Berries provide antioxidants and fiber, and chia seeds deliver omega-3 fatty acids and additional satiety. Sabat explains, this meal supports both gut health and metabolism, both crucial factors in achieving sustainable fat loss. Salmon with steamed broccoli quinoa. Indulge in a delicious and nutritious dinner with this protein-rich meal. Wild-caught salmon provides high-quality protein and anti-inflammatory omega-3s, while broccoli offers fiber and essential vitamins. Quinoa, a complete protein source, adds a satisfying texture and keeps blood sugar stable. Sabat notes, this meal fuels your body without causing insulin spikes, promoting fat burning. 4. Turkey lettuce wraps with hummus veggies. Ditch the bread and opt for these refreshing and portable wraps. Turkey provides lean protein while lettuce keeps carbs low. Hummus adds healthy fats and fiber, and raw veggies pack a crunchy punch of nutrients. Sabat emphasizes, this low-glycemic meal helps manage cravings and supports overall fat loss. 5. Protein smoothie with unsweetened almond milk, spinach, protein powder chia seeds. This quick and convenient smoothie is perfect for busy mornings or post-workout fuel. Protein powder supports muscle repair, spinach provides essential micronutrients, and chia seeds deliver omega-3s and healthy fats. Sabat recommends, this portable and satisfying shake is ideal for keeping calories balanced and supporting your fitness goals. Remember, achieving lean, toned arms is a journey, not a destination. By incorporating these 5-minute meals into your routine and embracing a consistent approach to healthy eating, you'll be well on your way to feeling confident and strong. But what do you think? Do you believe diet plays a significant role in achieving toned arms, or is it all about the gym? Share your thoughts in the comments below.